In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add item description on Depop. We'll walk through the simplest way to add or refine the description on a draft listing using Depop on desktop. Start by opening your browser and heading to depop.com. Sign in so you can access your shop tools. Once you're in, you want to get to the place where all your seller features live. Look toward the top right area of the site and open your profile. From there, choose your selling hub. This is your command center for listings, orders, and drafts. If you've already created a draft listing and just need to add or improve its description, you're in exactly the right spot. Inside the selling hub, find and select Edit Draft Listings. This shows all items you've saved but not yet published. Click the draft you want to work on to open the editor. You'll see a description field. This is where your listing's story lives and where buyers decide if your item is right for them. Write clearly and be specific. Start with what the item is and the standout details buyers search for. Brand, style, color, size, and fit. Include accurate measurements like chest, length, waist, or inseam so shoppers can compare with their own clothes. Be honest about condition. Mention if it's new, gently worn, or vintage, and call out any flaws such as small stains, a loose thread, or light fading. Transparency builds trust and reduces returns. Add helpful context that answers common questions before they're asked. Fabric content and care instructions are great to include, especially for delicate or premium materials. If the cut runs small or oversized, say so. A short styling note can help the item stand out, and a few relevant keywords used naturally can make your listing more discoverable. Keep it readable with short sentences, avoid all caps or clutter, and aim for a friendly, informative tone. When your description feels complete, take a moment to proofread for clarity and accuracy. If you're still gathering details or photos, you can keep the item as a draft and come back later. Drafts are there so you can finish at your own pace. If everything looks good and you're ready for shoppers to see it, choose to post the listing. Publishing makes it live in your shop and searchable on Depop. That's it. Log in, head to your selling hub, open Edit Draft Listings, add a clear and honest description, then either keep it as a draft or post it when you're ready. With a strong description, you'll set better expectations, attract